this movie, I'm going to show you how to see the desktop in Windows 8 while you're browsing an application. Now, before we go into Windows 8, let me just show you the functionality of Windows 7, and then we can potentially compare to see how it is done in Windows 8. So if I have to see the desktop in Windows 7, what I do it is I go to the bottom of my taskbar, and then here I right click and I say show the desktop. As soon as I do it, I come to my desktop and I see it out here, right? Now let's see that in Windows 8. So Windows 8, this is the splash screen. This is not the desktop. Okay. Now there is an icon out here that's called as a desktop. As you could see, this icon by default, as soon as you install Windows 8, you will get this icon on top of your splash screen. So when you click on that, that's what will lead you to Windows 8 desktop. Okay, now that's one way of coming to the desktop. The second way is, say for instance, if you're already in browsing an application, say for instance you are browsing some website, say msn.com, and now from here if you want to see the desktop, how would you do it? One way of doing it is first go back to your start screen. Okay, so I first go back to my start menu here, and then again when I come here, then I simply click on this icon desktop, and that's what takes me to this desktop. Now while I'm on this screen, this is my desktop, typical desktop, so it's just like Windows 7. So if I'm say browsing out here and I've got multiple applications open, say I go to msn.com from here, and a number of browsers or applications are open out here, then if I want to see my desktop within um, within this window, the procedure is same as Windows 7. So simply right click, go to show the desktop, and that's where you can see the desktop.